I have a Osmo Action in hand, and the camera has what is called spot metering. You can see the picture is very dark inside the car, and what we want to do is take the spot metering, move it down to a darker spot so it can brighten up the picture. And then we could simply hit the check mark, and then we could go and record our video. We have a GoPro. It acts the same way. You long press on the screen, you have spot metering. Bring it to a darker spot, and you can see all this is exposed. And if you want to bring that exposure and bring it correct, you take the spot meter and you bring it to the top. And now you're able to see the background, and the foreground is a little dark. You also have the added feature of EV value to raise and lower as well. I normally keep mine down to a -5, and everything looks just mighty fine. All I gotta do is lock it in and then continue to my record. If I don't like my exposure lock over there, I could simply long press on the screen and I could adjust it while recording to equal it out. And that is pretty neat. And then you have exposure lock done. As you can see, the background is exposed, but my inside is quite clear. As I increase it to the background, my inside gets really dark, and that's not what I want. I want to have both equal. I can't press on the screen because it don't have spot metering. No matter how much I press, we don't get spot metering, but you will lose your screen touches. And that is not what we want. If we go down or up, we can change a couple of things. We would appreciate to have spot metering put into the Osmo Action 3. No matter which camera you like, the Osmo Action, the Osmo Action 3, the GoPro, you'll make a decision what you have right now in your hands to use. Maybe in the near future, we'll see a firmware update. I hope you enjoy spot metering. Spot metering will equal out both the front and rear and do many other different things. Remember, this is not a mini DSLR. At least we have an action camera. Enjoy, everybody.